Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. So I just want to firstly apologise for the lighting because it is sunny and cloudy and the sun keeps going behind the clouds, hence why the lighting keeps changing, because I rely on natural lighting to film my videos. And secondly, I have not filmed one of these videos in quite a while, and it's actually, as you can see from the title, it's from a brand that I've never actually done a haul with before, so this is super exciting, and hopefully later in November I will be doing some more festive homeware hauls like I did last year, so keep your eyes peeled for those. And what else can I say? I'm just really excited to show you guys these pieces and just put them around my room. And once I'm showing you guys all these bits, I will be definitely showing you shots of what they look like in my room as well, so you get a good idea of like what my vision was when I picked them up. So if you want to see what I just generally picked up from Flying Tiger, then just carry watching. So Flying Tiger, I feel like kind of gives me like IKEA vibes. It's that kind of like Scandinavian, Swedish, minimalist homeware store, and the prices are super affordable. A lot of the products that I picked up on my spending spree were around like £4–5. I feel like most of it was actually £3 or even £1, which is a bargain. So let's just dive in. So this is the first thing I picked up not too long ago, so it's not part of the same haul, but I thought I'd show you anyway. It is my personal bullet journal. So I bought one of these at the beginning of the year for my new role at work, and it is a lifesaver because it helps me to keep track of everything that I'm doing, and I thought, why not do a personal one? So I did do a whole blog post on this one not too long ago, so I will, if I remember, leave the link to the post in the description bar below. But it's literally just little pages. I've got cleaning routine, self-care bits. I feel like my favourite pages are definitely the like monthly goals. So this is October's one, and it's just so cute. I just love doing these kind of illustrations, and I literally can't wait to get stuck in to do the November one. And this is just a general like doodling kind of thing, and then at the back I have 2 pages where I'm tracking what books I'm reading. And all these page ideas I've actually got from Pinterest. So some of them are original, some of them are basically copied because I didn't know what I was doing. But the bullet journal itself was £5, and it's a really nice quality book, and you've got one of these to keep it shut, and these little ribbons to like mark pages, so if I'm doing like a monthly thing I can easily mark a page and carry on. So yeah, that's the first thing I bought. And then my second trip, I went in there the other day, and I mainly went in for this vase because it's so pretty. Just look at it. It literally gives me like Frankie magazine / independent artist kind of vibes. It was only £4 and it's a vase. I'm yet to find some fake leaves or fake flowers to put it in, but for now she's just gonna sit on my shelf above my bed, and it's pink as well, which is so good. But it was only £4, which I think is a bargain, and it's just so stunning. Like, it literally looks like a Tumblr kind of vibe as well, like Pinterest independent, which I absolutely love. And to follow on for that, I have this little ring holder which is in the shape of a hand, and it's just so adorable. And there was like 3 different colourways, so I got the reddy orange one. There's also a really light baby pink and like a mustard yellow, and I went for this. And this, you just put your rings on, and I'm planning to put this on my bedside table because my rings always disappear amongst my necklaces on my little trinket tray. So to get something like this, I can just pop them on there and it will just look so cool. Again, this gives me Frankie magazine / independent artist vibes, and absolutely love it. And this was only, I want to say, £3 or £2. It wasn't even that much, and I'm just obsessed with it. Look how cute it is. And sticking to cute things, I'm sticking with an autumn theme, and I got this little pumpkin for £1 and I could not resist it. It's only felt, and it has that kind of like really cute handmade vibe about it, and it's gonna look so cute on my shelf. Like, I have so many pumpkins. I have 3 pumpkins. This will be my 4th pumpkin to add to this collection for autumn decorations, and I'm not even sorry, to be honest. So the next thing is actually something super useful. So when I bought my bullet journal, I actually bought 2 sandwich wraps, and they have been a lifesavers for like taking lunch in to work, because I feel like I've reduced so much plastic waste. I had to buy another food wrap. So these are so handy. They're like a massive triangular kind of shape, and then it goes like that, so you can easily fold your sandwich in and roll it up, hence the picture here. Like, it's so handy. It was only £3 and it is 1, so this is like my 3rd one, and I'm just gonna keep it in my drawer till one of the ones I've got like breaks. I hope it doesn't break. Touch wood. So a bit of wood. Touch wood, because it's so handy and I hope they will last long, but just in case, I have a spare one. And they do so many good like storage alternatives. They've got those little like fabric bags for like loose fruit and veg. They've got trays you can take with you to supermarkets. What else? They've got boxes and things like that. So just really good alternative ways of being sustainable. And then the last thing I picked up is not what I was expecting to leave with, but it was also a handy basket to carry these bits around. Is a little woven kind of, what do you call it, basket thing. I basically saw Velvet Ghost, aka Gabby, have this kind of thing in her recent homeware haul, but I think she got this from H&M Home. But this was only £3, I think, or £4, and I basically bought this to keep my plugs in, because I have plugs which just lie on the floor for like charging my phone and turning on my fairy lights, and they get annoying and in the way. So I thought if I bought this and stored them in there, it'll be much neater, and it's such an IKEA kind of vibe basket, so absolutely love that. Okay, so before I quickly go, let me show you where I put all my little bits, and you can immediately spot a couple of the bits in the right hand corner of the screen, so let me go over. So I've literally put the vase and the pumpkin right here on my bed like shelf, like above my bed. And these fairy lights are also pretty new. I bought these from Next and they were £16, and that's because my other ones like blew on me, so they don't work, but it was so worth it because it looks so pretty now. And I feel like, I don't know if I want to keep the vase there, but that's the space I envisioned it to be. And I think the pumpkin just looks really cute there as well. What else can I say? Amazing purchase, and it actually goes with the vibe of my shelf as well, I think, because I've got all my Frankie magazines next to it. The next thing you will see is my little ring holder. Excuse my coffee, let me move that. And it's literally just that. So as you can see, my trinket tray is like full of necklaces and stuff, so it was quite hard to find my rings, but now that I have a designated base, it just looks so much better, and it just looks really cute next to all my plants, and I absolutely love it. It actually adds a nice touch to my bedside table now, which I'm actually obsessed with. And last thing as you can see, if you zoom in, is my little basket for the plugs. How handy is that? My room just definitely looks more cuter now. Do you not agree? And excuse my coat, that's drying on the radiator. But yeah, I feel like I've got some cute little bits. My camera is literally about to die, so I'll end this really quickly, but that is everything I picked up, and this is definitely my favourite thing ever. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this short, sweet Homeware haul video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below to get updates when I next upload. And from here on out, it will get slightly more festive, which is great for me. So yeah, have a lovely, I want to say, weekend, and I will see you guys next time for another video.